Today we are doing our work. Okay, come down here. Wait, I need to know. Okay, no, not here. What's happening? Guys, look. Wait. Wait. Guys, I don't get Oh, I don't get it. I really don't get it. You have to go to the metro plus this one. Please work. Ma, bye. Guys, we're back, and today we are doing work. Coding number. Write words like a pyramid. Okay, so let's do it. Let's write words like a pyramid. Bye.